Welcome to your Mimic channel again. In this channel, we are going to tell you about our industrial emergency LED light. This is generally designed for industry or big organizations, industrial or commercial. This has been used for the gangways or the plants or the big offices, also for the docks, marine applications, cement plants or air force premises. This industrial emergency lamp is been designed for a rugged application, for outdoor application, and is been a weatherproof IP65. I'll explain you how the emergency lamp works. Fundamentally, it has to be fitted like this on the walls, given a complete sturdy mounting fixture over there. You can see this is the mounting fixture to be fitted on the wall. Then this front side of this LED emergency lamp is movable wherever you want or wherever you want to focus, and these are the two knobs given to fix the angle. In this emergency lamp, the functions are like this. When the light goes, it becomes on. I'll show you by making this off. This is off now. This lamp will be on, and when the light comes again, it will be off. Also, there is one more function at the back side. I'll show you. There is a photocell at the back side. Here is a photocell. So if the light is there, it will not get on. That means in the morning time, if the light goes, this emergency lamp will not get on. So now the light, I make the light off. It will not be on just because this light is falling on this photocell. If I close this photocell, so it is on, then again the light is there, it will be off. So the function is like this. If the light is there, it will not be on in the morning time. It will be only off when there is a dark at the night time. There are some more functions into this. There are two knobs provided. One is on off. One is intensity based. That means I will show you. Now this is on. Light is on, but this is in low mode. This is the low mode. This intensity changes. Now this is a normal mode, and this is high mode. So you can choose the intensity as per your requirement of your plant. Naturally, when the intensity is increased, the backup time is decreased, and when the intensity is low, the backup time is increased. So it depends on whatever or what way you want more backup or more intensity. That is the main thing you will have to select from this. Also, there is a lamp over here. When the light is there, it will be showing green light, and when the light is not there, it will be off. So we'll come to know when the light is there. Here it is provided an incoming 230 volt cable through a gland to give the 230 volt supply, and this supply you will have to give 24 hours. So 24 hours the charging will be on, inbuilt, the charger is inbuilt, and whenever the light goes, it will be on. It's a very simple, rugged and weatherproof emergency lamp manufactured by Mimic. And if you want to send inquiries, you can send it to mimic.cells@gmail.com, or you can call my number 98212 52022. Thank you.